Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase blog traffic with Pinterest marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and other marketing tools. Next, optimize your profile. Use a clear profile picture and write a compelling bio with relevant keywords. Create boards that align with your blog's niche. Each board should have a specific theme related to your content. Add high-quality images to your boards. Use vertical images with a 2:3 aspect ratio for better visibility. Include keyword-rich descriptions for each pin. This helps users find your content through search. Join group boards in your niche. This will expose your pins to a larger audience. Create eye-catching pins that stand out. Use bold text overlays and vibrant colors. Post regularly to keep your profile active. Aim for consistency, consider using a scheduling tool. Engage with other users by repinning and commenting. Building relationships can boost your visibility. Utilize Pinterest SEO strategies. Research keywords using Pinterest search bar and related ideas. Incorporate these keywords into your pin descriptions. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to find popular topics. Tailor your content to align with these trends. Consider creating video pins. These are gaining popularity and can drive more engagement. Link each pin directly to relevant blog posts. Make sure the landing page matches the pin's promise. Analyze your Pinterest analytics regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.